So Maine has been the source of a lot of investigative journalism recently, and I didn't realize that I was going to be a part of that, but here we go. This is the new 4runner Limited with third row seating, and this is probably going to be the only chance you get to see the third row seats in a 4runner, because these typically sell before they get here, as did this one. But I am bringing the information to you, my public. So if you wanted to get back there, how would you go about it? One handle does it all. You got to just make sure that your headrest is down. Oh, yeah, there we go. Yeah. So you do have to flip the second row seats and tumble them forward to get access to the third row. Here's your cargo space. There's my headroom. I think we need a grand 4runner. So to summarize, I don't think it's such a good idea, the third row in the 4runner. Grand Highlander is a much more comfortable third row. Let me know what you think in the comments. As always, thanks for watching.